Onto the corridors of justice, 68 petitioners have moved to the High Court challenging the government's directive requiring all public institutions to onboard their transactions to the e-citizen platform. The petitioners contend that the directive is unconstitutional, citing a lack of legal basis, public participation, and the requisite legislative framework. Details on this and other stories from the courts in our Scales of Justice segments.
In their petition, the applicants argue that the directive violates the principles of legality, reasonableness, and accountability enshrined in the Constitution of Kenya 2010. They allege that it undermines the constitutional requirement for public participation in policy-making processes and contravenes the statutory framework governing the operations of public institutions. The directive issued to chief executive officers of government institutions demanded compliance within 30 days, with all payments to be processed exclusively through the Gazette Paybill number 22222 effective from June 30th, 2023. Elsewhere, a Congolese national was charged with stealing over 163 million shillings from a foreigner, Tana Caldwell Cook, by falsely pretending to sell him 28.20 kilograms of gold. Principal Magistrate Gilbert Shikwe deferred the bail ruling until a pre-bail report is submitted, citing the accuser's foreign status as a potential flight risk.
He remained in custody as the probation office do the necessary inquiry.
The defense's application for bail was declined and the accused remains in custody with a ruling expected on 13th December 2024. And 5 people are facing 23 charges of forgery. Stephen Ndambuki Muli, Onesmus Muisio Kimatu, Benedict Mackenzie Mutuku, Harrison Zioki Muya, and Christopher Muindi Nzimba denied the charges and were each granted a bond of 200,000 Kenyan shillings and surety of similar amount or cash bail of 100,000 Kenyan shillings. The court directed that a 5th accused who failed to appear, Stephen Ndambuki Muli, must appear before court on 17th December 2024, failure to which a warrant of arrest will be issued against him.
A summon to issue so that counsel can avail him for plea on the 17th of December as requested. This matter will be mentioned before the twin court because I want to be here, court number 6, to confirm compliance regarding the first accused person only.
Pre-trial was scheduled for 20th January 2025.